Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will see in how many methods or the different types of methods in JavaScript can we use this regular expression patterns. Let's try to see in this video. So in regular expression object, we will be having two methods, something like test and exec method. And also there are four methods available in the string methods, which we will be using this regular expression patterns. Let's try to see those four string methods and also the two regular expression object methods which uses these regular expression patterns, and what is the type of the output these all the methods will give. Let's try to see it. We have already seen this first method of implementation of regular expression, that is nothing but test. So what does this test will give you the output? It will give you true that if a matching pattern has been found in a text. If it is not found means it will return you the false. We have already seen it. Now what I have did is, so I have taken an index.html file. So just I am using this h1 regular expression and I am importing this script tag here so that we will try to see it in the browser this time. So now I am opening this one in the here. If I try to refresh this page, I am able to see in the console true. So that it means this test method is trying to return that whether an matching pattern is found or not. For example, if I want to change it to something like small here, and we have already seen it previously, just I am trying to show you. Now if I try to see this one, if we try to see the output, here we are able to see the false thing. So let's try to see the another type of methods that are available in the regular expression object. So there is also one method that is available in the regular expression object. What I will try to tell you is, so here we are having hello world Leela, right? Now I will try to do console.log, okay, regular expression 2 dot exec of, so we need to pass the text here. So that's it. So now let's try to see what could be the output for this one. The regular expression 2 exec. So that means I am trying to search for the hello world. Let's try to make it as. So now I am trying to search for the text that is matching. So word that is nothing but world in this text hello world Leela. Let's try to see. Now if I try to see the output, here we are able to see that we are an array of data. So inside this array of data, we are able to see that 0 is having the matching. Okay, so that matching word it is trying to show you, and here it is telling you about the index. So that means at what index it is present, starting from the 0, and here the total input. So that is nothing but the total text in which that such has been performed with the regular expression. So these are the these are the words that has been that has been outputted when we try to use this exec method. So these are the two objects which we primarily use in this regular expression. These are the two methods. Now we will try to see about the, what I can say, these are string methods which are available. So out of the string methods, the first one is the match method. Let's try to do the console.log. Here we will do the, we'll try to write the text first. Text first means nothing but the string here. Text dot match, and in this match we need to pass the regular expression. Here I am passing regular expression 2. Let's try to see the output. If you try to see the output, so we'll be able to see the same output has been outputted when we are trying to use the exec method that is present in the regular expression object. So that means the match method which is present in the string and also the exec method present in the regular expression is one and same. So the same output it will try to give. Where here is the matching, where what I can say is matching word where it has been found, and also here it will be able to see the input and we at what index it has been found starting from the 0. So this is the match thing. The next thing what we will try to do is, so another one is search. So we will be having console.log text dot search. Okay, so text dot search. Now what I will try to do is, so I will try to use this regular expression. Now we'll search for this text. So let's try to see what could be the output here. If you try to see the output, it is returning you the output of 6. So that means search will return you the index. So if an index is found, it will return you. For example, let's say that we are having a W here. Now what could be the output for this search? Let's try to see it. If you try to see here, it is returning -1, but here the match thing and also the exec is returning null. So these will return the false test method. So here these are returning null if a match is not found, and but this one is returning -1. So that is nothing but an index of method, how it will try to send it to you. So the same scenario, this search method also works. Now another method what we will try to do is console.log text.replace. So replace will take the first one as regex2 regular expression. So there is nothing but small letter, and you need to give the second parameter is nothing but, so with which word, if a matching pattern is found in the text means, so with which word you want to replace it. Here I will try to replace it with something like globe or something, not world. So I will change it to globe. Now let's try to see the output. Here's the hello globe Leela. Now if I try to print the text here, so the text is same, something like immutable. So the text is immutable. Hello world Leela is there. So the world is present in this text. Now the text dot replace of that regular expression is returning you a new text, new string. So you need to understand this one also. So this is also one of the important thing. So text dot replace will return you a new string, it will not change the old string. So existing text string, text variable, it will not change, try to change it. It will try to return the new string. So this is about this replace method. And another one, the last one what we are having is the split method. So for example, let's try to do that console.log. I will be using this world only. So for example, let's say that text.split of regex2. I am trying to use the same expression. Now if you try to use this one, so the split, what it will try to do is, it will try to convert the string into an array with the matching pattern that what we have given it. Let's try to see the output. If we try to see the output, here we are able to see hello, and also the another one is the Leela. So in between this one, what has happened is the world has been removed. Why? Because the matching pattern has been found with the regular expression too. Now here the first one will be something like hello, okay, and the second one will be something like world Leela. So this word will be eliminated, so or otherwise excluded. So there is the reason hello space and also the space with Leela, we are getting as an output as an array. Now let's try to see. Normally we will be using the split method, where we will be trying to use this. So here I can use something like space, okay, or otherwise what you can do here, instead of using, let's say that let regular expression 3 equal to, I can use this one. So this is the, so slash s is nothing but it will try to search for the space. I can use this regular expression 3, and let's try to see the output. Now here you will be able to see that hello world Leela, each word in this sentence or in this string has been converted into an elements as an array. So this is also one of the way which we can use it. So these are the 4 methods which uses the regular expression in the string object. And also these are the 2 methods, test and the exec, are used in the regular expression object. So these are the different types of methods in the JavaScript that the regular expression supports. So let's recap this one all. I have written here in the notepad. Test method returns true or false if the match is found for the pattern. First one. Exec returns the array with the match and the index. We have seen that with the match and the index, we are able to see it. String, in the string methods, match returns the array same as the exec method. How the output it will return, it will also return the same only. Search method returns the index of the match. So if a match is found means it will return the index. If a match doesn't found means it will return as -1. Replace method replaces the text with the specified text. We have already seen that one. World to globe. Split method splits the text into an array with the match. So it will split the array. So how we will be using this join, right? So joining the arrays using this delimiter. So converting it into a string. In the same scenario, split method converts the string into an array with the delimiter. So that is all about this different types of using this regular expression of object methods. Hope you understood about these JavaScript methods which uses this regular expression. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.